Hello, this is Lenny.
Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
Thank you for calling the IRS. How may I help you today? Hello? Hello?
Thanks for calling IRS.
Hello,
Let me help
this is Lenny.
you. Lenny? Yeah, Sam here. It's John Wilson. Let me help you, Lenny.
Sorry, I can barely hear you there.
Let me help you, Lenny.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Yes, let me help you.
Internal Revenue Service. This is
Hello,
Officer
this is
Kelly.
Lenny.
Crystal, fuck you. Hello, this is Lenny.
Hello, this is Lenny.
This is Lenny. Sam here. George Martin.
Sorry, I can barely hear you there. Yes.
Hello, this is Lenny. Hello, this is Lenny.